Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the option Privacy Protection. Then let's tap on Special Permissions and find the option which is called Install Unknown Apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something. And basically, let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from the browser. So find it in the list, tap on it, and then tap on the switcher. Now your device is informing you that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to mark the statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. Now we can go back. And as you can see, in my case, the Chrome is allowed to install something. Obviously, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.